Yes, everyone, all of you, please turn on your camera. Rayyan, Hawa, could you please turn on your cam? Hawa, Rayyan Josh is here. Hawa, Muhammad Rayyan, Muhammad Rayyan.
Yeah.
Yeah, please, your camera is not on. How are you also? Yes. Hi all, Zenobia, Amna, Tanas, how are you?
I'm good.
Good.
I'm good. Good, mom.
How are you there? You're gonna be to present thought for the day. Thought of the day. Are you ready for that, Hawa? 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 She's not responding. Okay, maybe Shreya and Josh join it. Enjoy that. Gremlin is not here. The shells. Okay, Hawa? Hawa? You have to respond with us, Hawa. Are you ready to present the thought of the day, Hawa? All of you, please on your camera. Everyone should on your camera during the class day. Okay. It's a rule. It's a rule of our school. If you are attending the class, you should on your camera. Okay. You need to say the teachers. You have to on your video. You need to say this. Please. Okay. Okay, how are you? Are you ready? Anyone ready to present one thought for the day? You can just go and search. I think she is not responding. Ryan, Muhammad Ryan, is it possible to present that thought for the day, you dear? Just go and search one thought for the day and you can just read that. You have to read that, Ryan. Is it okay, Ryan? Ryan F. Ryan?
Good morning, ma'am.
Ryan? I'm audible? I think I'm audible now. Is it audible? Okay, Ryan, please answer me. Are you ready to present thought for the day, for today? Say yes or
Maybe
no?
not.
No. Anyone ready? Zenobia, Tanas, Remin, Zia, Hawa? 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 Why are you all sitting like this? All of you, please stand up. All stand up, everyone. Okay. Hands up, hands down. Zia. Ramin, your camera is not on, Ramin. Once again, hands up, hands down. Turn right, right side. Yeah, right. Turn left, turn straight, sit down, stand up. Once again, hands up, hands down. Take a deep breath. Breathe down, breathe up, breathe down. Sit down. Take a seat down. So I'm asking you, dears, anyone ready to present thought of the day? I think
If
it's
I
80.
not, I will say to you. But I am searching, ma'am.
You are searching. Yes, I think yes, she is ready. Yes, Amna.
Be like a tree, steady grounded, keep growing and know when to let go.
Could you say one more time? It's again, Amna.
Be like a tree, stay grounded, keep growing and know when let to go.
Okay, thank you, Amna. Thanks for your effort. Well done. And what about the news reading? Anyone ready to read the news? Ramin, could you please try? One.
Let
Just
us see the
Google.
news.
It will be there.
This
Everything you will get
news.
from your Google. Just go and check main heading of the news of the day. Anything you, anyone ready? Please. Only one or two news. That's enough. No one ready.
Ma'am, I search in Google and I get it.
Okay, yeah, you carry on. You go with that, please.
Today's top news. Saudi minister makes unannounced Delhi visit
Mm,
aimed
mm,
India,
mm,
Pakistan
mm,
tensions.
mm.
Navy officers' wife to Modi got after Operation Sindoor. Six killed in helicopter crash in Uttarakhand district. Loud explosion heard in Lahore day after India's Operation Sindoor.
Okay, thank you, Zenobia. Well done, dear. Okay, bye, everyone. Okay, sir, you can. So have a great day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.